Yeah?
Which one?
Really? Yeah.
What?
Huh?
This one?
Yeah.
We're gonna try this one?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, you guys. Are you ready for this?
I sure am.
Are you?
Yeah.
Are you ready for Wednesday, Hump Day, Food Day? Woo! Yeah, guys, yeah. You ready? You want to see it?
Yeah.
You want to show them?
Yeah.
Ready?
Look.
Look. Look. Ready? Yeah. Snails! Woo! Hey, guess what else? It's in coconut milk. Is it milk? Oh, coconut juice. Excuse me. Well, anyway, they're wild-caught top snails. They've already been cooked. They are frozen. The instructions say, do not thaw. Reheating from frozen. Keep frozen until ready to use.
Yes.
Yes, frozen. And there's 2 ways you can cook it. It says right here on the instructions. See, can you see that? Anyway, I'll read it to you real quick. Cooking instructions. Pan reheat. Place top snails in a pan. Reheat for 7 to 8 minutes. And then serve. Yummy. We got toothpicks. Gotta toothpick them out. Ah, we'll show you that one too, huh? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, microwave. Do not remove top snails from container from outer container. So you gotta keep them in this container. We'll show you guys.
All right.
5 to 10 minutes in the microwave.
Cool.
Cool. It'll show you, gives you pictures and everything how to do it. You guys ready? You wanna go cook them?
Yeah.
You wanna go cook them?
Yeah.
Ready? I'm nervous about this one, even though we have had snails, but it's been a few years. I wasn't too sure about them, and I will put that video that we did in the description below. If I remember, maybe in a card up above. I don't know what I'll do, but it'll be there somewhere if you want to check that one out, because we did go try them for the first time before. But anyway, let's go cook these. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, guys. We'll be back when we're gonna go cook them, okay? All right, guys. Let's go cook them in the microwave. Come with me. Come on. You can help me out.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So it says to just leave it here. They look like that. They're frozen. They're in their little coconut juice. But it says to leave them in the box. See the picture? Microwave. In the box, leave the flap open, and fold flap liner. Okay, so that, I don't know if I do both sides. It shows just one. So anyway, just put them in the microwave, 5 to 10 minutes, they're frozen. Microwave. Snails. I'm not sure about this one. Okay, anyway. Let's just cook them and get trying with them. What are you guys waiting for? Come on, quit playing around. 5 mementos. Oh, and it says to turn them. Oh. How much? When did it say to turn?
Yes.
A quarter turn after a certain amount. So, okay, there we go. All right, we got it. All right, you guys. Let's get started. We'll be back in about 5 minutes to try them. Okay. Okay, you guys. So basically, I didn't turn it. I just stopped the microwave, and the little rotation plate in there just turns the opposite way. So I think that's all it really needed. Well, we got just a minute left. And guess what? Too bad you can't smell it, because it's actually starting to smell really good. Smell the coconut juice. And a little bit of, ooh, spices. Mmm, yeah. All right. Well, anyway, we're almost done. Ready to go back and give them a try. So come on back with me, guys. Let's go. Woo! Oh, guys, let me come around this side. Look it. They're done. They're cooked. Tilt tilt, don't spill. Ooh. Honestly, I am kind of getting a little excited now because they smell good.
Yeah.
Want to smell?
Yeah.
Mmm. They smell good.
Yeah.
All right. We got a little bit of soy dipping sauce right here. Anyway. Okay. Toothpick for you. Thank you. And here. And we'll just leave that over there now in case we need a little bit more. But, you guys ready? Mmm. Mmm.
Mmm.
This one. Oh, I see. Okay. Alright, so you would take it. Alright. I'm not sure how well I can do this one, guys. Oh, there. Oh. Okay. We're struggling a little bit. There we go. Oh.
Green.
Okay. Okay. Well. Okay. Alright guys, you ready? Well, anyway, I'm gonna try it. Alright. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Hmm. Okay. Not sure.
Maybe try one without the soy sauce. Maybe it's just the soy sauce.
Not sure about that one. We'll try it. Try another one. I don't want to give up this yet. Okay, got that little sticky thing off. You got to get that little suction thing off. I guess that's what you want to call it. Yeah, they're a little bit hard. You gotta dig it up a little bit. Okay, you guys are watching our struggles. Okay. Alright, I'm not sure. Did that work? Oh, there, see? Oh, there you go. Alright, that one looks different. Dip it in the sauce.
Yay! Got it.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay. It's not bad.
Not bad. A little chewy. Some certain part of it, a little chewy, like the little part that is kind of like right around in that area. And then the rest of it seemed kind of soft and smooth.
Yeah, and a little sweet too.
A little sweet from the coconut milk. I honestly wouldn't say it would be my favorite. I honestly think I would pass it up and wouldn't really want to buy them again and eat them again. They're not horrible, but not too much of where, I really want to get them again the past couple of stuff that I've had. And, to be honest, struggling a little bit to get them out. But I like the coconut flavor, and the little green onion that is there is not bad. Hi, Daisy. I like the sweetness from the juice and everything. I'm just not sure if I'm too much into the snail thing. And Daisy wants to say hi, so I'm gonna bring her up. So say hi. Come on, Daisy. Come on. All right. Well, she says hi.
Hi.
She says hi. She says, give me one. No, you're not gonna eat this one. Not this one, okay?
Aww.
I don't know if it would be good for you. All right. Will you say hi? Say hi, families. Say hi, Casual Girl families. All right, baby girl. There you go. But anyway, that is my thought on the snails. They're not horrible. They're not terrible to eat. I preferably can do without them. As I'm eating one more, just to make sure, but I gotta get, oh, there you go. I think maybe this one might be empty. Okay. Maybe they're not all in there. I don't know. And this is interesting. Yes, very. Or it's way down in there. This one, okay, this one's down in there a little bit. You got that little sticky part out. Gotta get that out. Mmm. You got it there, bud? Yeah, see, you got that little sticky part out. Yeah.
Yep.
Their little suction cup. You like them?
Yeah, not bad.
Not bad. Mm.
They're a bit small.
Well, yeah. Mm. This one's kind of stuck down in there. I'm not sure I can get it out, guys. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right. Just pull. Oh.
I feel like the first ones that we had, like, were better than this.
You think so? Interesting. There you go. Oh, look, there's Frank. Daisy. It's okay. It's okay. That one's kind of stuck down in there. Oh, there we go. That helped a little bit. That was different. This one's not coming up. I can't get the toothpick to pick it out. Maybe you can push it from this way? No? I don't know. Well, anyway, you saw the two that I got out and that I ate. It's kind of flavorless. Flavorless? Well, I can taste the coconut. Okay,
Oh,
there.
I mean,
Yeah, the coconut juice, definitely. Okay, there. Now that's a little bit. Well, that was easier. But, alright. We're struggling here. Okay. Okay. This is not definitely one of my things I would want to eat too much. So, with that note, and we're struggling, we're gonna wrap this video up right here. No, not a thumbs down, but not a thumbs up either. So we'll go sideways. Thumb sideways. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for sticking around with us for this long. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video out. We got snails today. Our Wednesday, hump day, food day. Woo! Yeah. All right, guys. Well, take care. Until next time. See you later. Bye. Bye.
it's a bit messy.
Yeah, a little messy. Most doubtful.